Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Here is a new method to learn Arabic that you have never seen anywhere else. And of course, I will need your point of view in the comment. Each time I'm going to choose one different topic, for example, at the market or at school or whatever. Then I tell you some of the words related to that topic. For example, if we are talking about school, we choose student, teacher, classroom, write, read, understand, etc. Then I show you how to write these words on the blackboard by connecting the letters one by one and forming the words. The third step then is to form different sentences and phrases from these words, and of course it's up to you then to form other new sentences and phrases in the comments. Love you all. If you like my method, please let me know in the comments.